Hi everyone, welcome back and thanks for tuning in. My name's Logan, and at the end of this video you're going to learn how to build a rum and coke. But first what you need is a glass with ice in it, your favorite rum, whether that's silver rum, dark rum, who knows what rum, and then a bottle of Coca-Cola. Next what you're going to do is you're going to use a jigger and you're going to pour 1.5 fluid ounces of your favorite rum over your ice, and then you're going to take your Coca-Cola, you're going to crack it open, and you're going to top it off right to where there. Next, you're going to sit and enjoy. But first, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and make sure you tune in tomorrow when we learn how to make a Mai Tai.